You're listening to the Culips English Podcast. To download the study guide for this episode, which includes the transcript, detailed vocabulary explanations, real-world examples, and a quiz, visit our website, culips.com. CULIPS.com. Hello, everybody. My name is Andrew.
And I'm Jeremy.
And you're listening to Culips. Jeremy, how's it going?
It is going well today. Really, every day is going well for me because if it wasn't, I wouldn't say so. So, everything is going well. How about you, Andrew?
I'm doing well as well, but I have to say that I like that attitude. Usually when people ask me, how's it going? Even if I'm having a terrible, terrible day, I lie and say, oh, it's great. I'm doing well. But you're more honest than I am.
Yeah. Is that a Canadian thing? Canadian people seem to always be very positive.
PMA, positive mental attitude. I think there's something to that idea that a positive attitude can affect your mood even if you're not feeling so good.
Smile at everything, right? That's good life advice.
Jeremy, today we are going to talk about sleep. Sleep. So we'll do a simplified speech episode today. And for all the listeners out there that don't know, simplified speech is our series that's really targeted at high beginners and intermediate level learners. And we have totally natural, unscripted conversations, but we speak at a slightly slower pace than we would do in our everyday lives.
True.
Yes, and we do have a study guide for this episode that's available for download on our website, culips.com. So for anyone who would like to go a little bit deeper in their English studies, we recommend that you visit culips.com and download the study guide. They're awesome, and you can see some free samples and examples of what's in the study guide by visiting culips.com. So definitely check those out. Okay, Jeremy, time to talk about sleep. You were joking before we started recording here that you are qualified to talk about this topic.
Yes, at least more qualified than talking about the World Cup.
Right, which we did several episodes ago.
Yes.
Yeah. And that's because you sleep every night. Are you a deep sleeper? Do you get a high quality sleep?
Well, I definitely think I am a light sleeper.
Okay.
More than most. But more recently, I have been getting better sleep than I did in my younger years. What about you?
You know, the reason that I wanted to talk about sleep today is because maybe over the last year or so, I've noticed my sleep patterns change a lot. I went from being a deep sleeper and someone who could sleep all the way through the night and easily sleep for 8 hours a day, no problems, to being someone who's quite a light sleeper. And I struggle to get more than 6 hours of sleep a day. Even though I want to sleep more, it's a real struggle to be able to get more sleep.
I wonder why that is.
I don't know. Some of my friends have said that I'm doing too many things and I have too many things on my mind. That might be part of it. It might be psychological. It might also be physiological.
Body related.
Yeah, related to my body because I'm getting older. And I think this is a natural process of aging, is that as you get older, your body requires less sleep. Maybe it doesn't require less sleep, but I know when I think about my grandparents when I was younger,
Yeah.
they sleep for like 4 hours a day, which
Yeah.
they would wake up at like 4 a.m. and take a walk and
Yeah.
read the newspaper and eat breakfast, all by the time that I would wake up at 7 to go to school. So
Same here.
it could be psychological, could be physiological. I'm not exactly sure.
Have you heard about the blue light thing?
Yeah, I have heard about this, but I'm sure there's some listeners out there that don't know. Do you want to explain that?
Sure. These days, people use smartphones or computers or TVs there to watch different things. And often at night, people watch something. And there is what they call blue light. It's not actually blue. It doesn't look blue, but it is essentially bright light. And this bright light sends a signal to the brain through your eyes saying, hey, it's daytime. Wake up. There's bright light here. It's not time to sleep. So when you watch something late at night and then try to go to sleep right after that, usually it is very hard to sleep. Your brain is still awake. Your thoughts are still happening very quickly. Your brain is very active. So sleep does not come. And sometimes, when I was a kid, I did this a lot. I would watch TV or go on the computer until right before I went to bed.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes I would lay in my bed for hours without sleeping.
Right.
I couldn't sleep.
Right.
I was so awake. So now I respect this natural rhythm, and before I go to sleep, I do not look at any bright lights, only dim lights like maybe candles, or I have a red light in my room. Red light has the opposite effect. It tells your brain that it's sunset, it's time to sleep, it's time to calm down. And since I started doing that, my sleep has improved a lot. A lot, actually.
Yeah, I'm with you 100% on the blue light reduction thing. I have programs on my phone and my computer to eliminate the blue light at night.
Yeah.
I turn off all the lights in my apartment once the sun sets.
Nice.
I've hung up an extra curtain over top of my curtains to block out all the street light.
Nice.
And I wear a sleep mask at night.
Wow.
Because I think that the light has really been affecting me. Once I learned about this idea that blue light can affect our sleep, I thought maybe that's why I'm only sleeping 6 hours a night. It's because the light is messing with my brain. But hasn't really helped at all.
Really?
Hasn't helped, but what can you do? What can you do?
Well, I guess we will have to leave this one to our listeners and see if they find this tip helpful. Maybe they could even let us know in a comment on the Culips Facebook page or on Twitter.
Yeah, absolutely. Jeremy, I know you gotta run, so we'll wrap it up here. But once again, guys, the study guide is available on our website, culips.com. So check out the website and give it a download. We'll talk to you next time, everybody. Bye.
Sleep well, everyone. Bye for now.
Have you signed up for the Culips newsletter? You can receive updates on all the latest episodes, tips about learning English, and special Culips offers delivered directly to your inbox for free. To join, just visit culips.com and enter your email address at the bottom of the page.